Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at a way for you to test if a USB or a DVD is bootable. For a more in-depth look at the subject, we will include a link to an article in the description down below. For this video we will be using a freeware application called Mobile Live CD. The article has a link to download it. Connect your USB to the computer. Then open Mobile Live CD, run it as an administrator. Look for Start Directly from a Bootable USB Drive and click on it. You will have a window pop up that will ask you to select the drive the USB is in. Click OK. When asked, do you want to create a hard image for your virtual machine, click Yes. Then a window will open and the process will start the QEMU engine. If your Windows 10 Media USB is bootable, you will then see the startup image. After that, just close the window and you are done. For more helpful tips on how to maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always uploading new content aimed at making you the master of your digital universe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.